Hello guys, welcome back to Garitech Interior Design. So over here, this is a 4-bedroom that we are ongoing. Like you can see, we are on installation of beam, like you can see over behind here. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, kindly make sure you have subscribed. Make sure you've turned that notification bell so as whenever we post this incredible content, you'll be the first one to be updated. So over here we have this balcony, of which we have a 3 beam at the end, and then even the center, and then at the other end of that video of this balcony, of which it's so much quite wide. So it consists of 9 pillars, of which the 3 at the end, the 3 at the center, and then 3 at the other end over here, over there. So you will come inside and then I show you. So over here, this is our balcony, of which is so wide. We had to have at least a little bit a space, so as whenever you have maybe visitors, they can come and chill up over here. So this is the main entrance. As you can see, this is we have. So nowadays we always advocate to use just one corridor. We don't just advocate to use so many corridors to have to so as to save on material. So like you can see, this is only one corridor, of which on this side, this is the sitting room. There's a bedroom there, a toilet, bedroom, and the other 2 bedroom over there, and then kitchen. So I will let you to this side, on my left hand, on right hand, of which this is the sitting room. Like you can see, it's just quite spacious over here. It has 3 windows, of which 2 windows, of which our windows are so much big enough as compared to the other one. Like you can see, so that was our first window, and the second window will be over here. And then our beam, like you can see, will come and then join our lintel when we will be installing it later. So this sitting room, it's so much big. It can accommodate, let's say, even like 12 people. Let's say 12 to 10 people whenever like you will arrange your seats. And then over here, this is our dining room. Like you can see, it's just even quite spacious for the, let's say, for the owner to, it's just enough for this side. Like you can see over here, and then this is the window, like so as to have a natural light inside here. And then on over this side, this is a wall that will be separating our toilet, our kitchen. So we'll have, and then to have a serving window that will be used to communicate whoever will be using this kitchen over here. So guys, this is the sitting, this is the dining room, like you can see over here. And then here we'll come and have a design, an arc, so as to have that beauty whenever you'll be entering towards our dining room over there. So guys, kindly make sure you have subscribed. And then so here, this is the balcony, this is the veranda this is the corridor that I've showed you. So I will let you to this is the first bedroom over here. So this is the first bedroom. Like you can see, is 17 by 17. Let's say on the inside is 16 by 16. It's so big. And then here we have just done a provision for our wardrobes, of which will be installed over here. And then they have 2 windows. So the first one is over here, and the second one is just over here. And then at each and every corner of this house, we have provided a beam so as to make our house to be so much strong. So this is the first bedroom, of which is quite spacious. And then we have to advocate for bigger windows, so as to have that natural light whenever you enters this site. So sorry for the background, but we'll just have to do it. And then here, over here, we have this a toilet over here. So this toilet is public toilet. Like you can see, this is our public toilet, of which we have a small partition over here, so as to have at least a little much privacy whenever we'll be entering this toilet. So this is the toilet, guys. Like you can see, it's so quite spacious. Like you can see, it's just run from that end up to here. And then here we'll have our window over here, and then we'll be just having our plumbing work at the end of the day on this entire toilet over here. So guys, thank you for whoever that they are reaching us maybe to have some construction services. If we have maybe a burning issue, we are solving out. And then here, this is another second bedroom over here. Like you can see, it's of same size with the other first bedroom, but only differ with the bedroom. The other first bedroom, it has 2 windows, but this one has 1 window, because on the other ends there's a bedroom over there, and then there's a master bedroom over there. So we had not have to provide 2 windows over this. So this is the first window that we'll be using over here. And then here, as always, we always do provide a provision for the wardrobes at earlier stage, so as to have your wardrobe area on the first stage. So this is the second bedroom, of which is the same size with the other bedroom. So I will let you to the kitchen. So guys, make sure you have subscribed, and then we are road to 2K subscribers. So guys, I've just urged you, whoever will be watching this video up to this end, up to this, make sure you have subscribed. I want to pledge you that we before this, let's say before this month's end, let's make sure we have reached 2,000 subscribers. I will appreciate you so much. And then over here, this is the kitchen, guys. Like you can see, this is our kitchen, of which over here we have our pantry. This is the store that will be used to serve this kitchen. And then this is the kitchen, guys, and then this is the window. So our worktop will be running from here, going like up to somewhere here, of which at the end of there we'll be having our cooker at the end of there, over there. So this is just quite spacious, this kitchen. And then earlier I told you that here, this is the wall that separates between our kitchen and the dining room, of which will come and have a serving window at this area over here. And then this is the balcony for this, the balcony for our kitchen. So I'm going to let you to the third bedroom and the master bedroom, of which one master bedroom is an ensuite. So on this end, this is the fourth bedroom, of which this one is just quite spacious as compared to the other one. This one is of at least this one is quite bigger enough. And then it has 2 windows, like you can see, the first one over here and the second one over here, so as to have a natural light whenever you'll be using this house. Even daylight, no need to switch on your electricity. You will have sorted you will be using your natural light over here. So like you can see, this space over here, we'll put here our wardrobes, but this one will be quite bigger enough. So a wardrobe will be running from here going up to end over here. So this one will be at least much bigger as compared to the first bedroom and the second bedroom. So this one will be spacious, so you can use it maybe for your children or other maybe purposes for this fourth bedroom, or this third bedroom. But other first bedroom and the second bedroom, you can use it like maybe for visitors or something else. And then over here, this is the master bedroom, of which is like bigger enough as compared to the other bedroom. And then it is an ensuite. And then like you can see, this is the first window over here, and the second one is just over there. And then here we have our toilet. Like you can see, this is the door that leads us towards our toilet toilet for this master, of which this is the toilet. Like you can see, it's just quite spacious. I think it's just much enough for this bedroom over here. So guys, if you have watched up to there, kindly consider subscribing, like, share.
Dear God, it's me again. I have come to you with a heart of worship.
Baba, mimi nimekufanyia nini ndo nipende namna hii? Nimekufanyia nini ndo nipende namna hii. Baba mimi nimekufanyia nini ndo nipende namna hii? Oh, nimekufanyia nini ndo nipende namna hii? Nimekuja na wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba, wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba, wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba, wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba. Bila wewe ningeteseka dadi, umenitoa mbali. Kama sio wewe yawe, mimi ningekuwa wapi?
Napiga magoti mbele zako Baba yangu, nainua mikono kwa ishara ya kusujudu.
Yale Baba umenifanyia, wacha nikuite shamba. Nimekuja nikupende leo Jehova Shawa, wewe ni Mungu wa mapendeleo. Nishakujua unapenda vile nataka dadi,
nimekuja na wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba, wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba,
nimekuletea
wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba, nimekuja na wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba.
nilikuwa nimepotea, wokovu kanipa. Nilikuwa sipendezi, neema kanipa. Ukaniokota toka jalalani mimi.
Nilikuwa nimepotea, wokovu kanipa. Nilikuwa sipendezi, neema kanipa. Ukaniokota toka jalalani mimi.
Asante kwa wokovu, asante kwa msamaha, umeondoa maovu, moyoni nina raha. Asante kwa wokovu, asante kwa msamaha, umeondoa maovu, moyoni nina raha.